In this video, I'm going to show you how to create custom fields inside ClosingDealz and how to use them to better organize and qualify your records. Custom fields allow you to store information that's specific to your business and workflow instead of being limited to only the default CRM fields. So let's go ahead and create a few examples. First, go to Settings and open Custom Fields, then click Create Custom Field. Here you'll configure the display name, the field key, the data type, and the record target. The display name is what users will see inside the CRM. The field key is the internal identifier for the field. The data type controls what kind of information the field can store, and the record target determines where the field will appear inside the CRM. For this example, let's create a deal custom field called contract length. Then choose the data type. In this case, we'll use a single select field. Now let's add a few options: 1 month, 6 months, and 12 months. Then select deals as the target record and save the field. Now let's open a deal record. Inside the deal overview, you'll now see the custom field appear directly inside the deal. This is useful because every business tracks different information throughout the sales process. For example, some businesses may want to track contract length, selected product, service package, or estimated monthly retainer. Custom fields allow you to customize the CRM around your own workflow. Now let's create a few custom fields for leads. This time, we'll create current monthly revenue. For current monthly revenue, we can use the money field. Then select contacts as the target record and save the field. Now, if we open a lead or contact record, you'll see the custom field appear directly inside the CRM. This helps your team collect and organize qualification information in a much more structured way. Now let's go into the form builder, because this is where many people get confused. Inside forms, you'll notice there are two different field types: lead fields and question fields. And understanding the difference is extremely important. Lead fields are connected directly to CRM records. That means when someone submits a form, the information gets saved permanently on the contact or company profile. This is where you typically use your custom fields. For example, current monthly revenue, service interest, or business type. That information becomes searchable and organized directly inside the CRM. So let's select the newly created custom field we created earlier. Question fields work differently. Question fields are tied only to that specific form submission. They do not become structured CRM properties. These are best used for contextual questions like, what challenges are you currently facing? What are your goals? Or tell us more about your project. This information is still valuable for conversations, but it usually doesn't need to become permanent CRM data. The easiest way to think about it is this: if the information will consistently help your team organize, filter, or qualify records inside the CRM, it should probably be a custom field. If the information is only useful for reviewing a single submission or conversation, then it should probably be a question field. Keeping this structure clean becomes extremely important as your CRM grows. The businesses that scale best are usually the ones with the best systems for organizing information, because growth is not just about generating more leads. It's about structuring your data properly so your team can quickly identify the right opportunities. And that's exactly what custom fields help you do inside ClosingDealz.